Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here with me today. Today, I'm super excited to share with you a quick 5-minute yoga routine to kickstart your morning and get you feeling fresh and ready for the day. This routine is designed to be simple yet effective, perfect for all levels. Whether you're a busy bee or just need a little morning boost, this simple flow is perfect for you. It's a great way to wake up your body and mind, setting a positive tone for the rest of your day. So grab your mat and let's get started. Find a comfortable spot where you can move freely and won't be disturbed. First up, let's begin in mountain pose. Stand tall with your feet together, grounding through all 4 corners of your feet. Feel the earth beneath you, providing stability and support. Take a deep breath in, reach your arms up to the sky, and on your exhale, bring your hands to your heart center. This movement helps to center your mind and body. Feel that connection with your breath. Notice how each inhale and exhale brings a sense of calm and focus. Next, let's move into forward fold. This pose is great for releasing tension in your back and hamstrings. Hinge at your hips and slowly fold forward, allowing your head and neck to relax. Let gravity do the work here. You can bend your knees slightly if you need to. This will help you to go deeper into the stretch without straining. Take a couple of deep breaths here, feeling the stretch in your hamstrings and lower back. Each breath helps to release any tightness. Now, let's flow into downward dog. This pose is excellent for stretching your entire body. Plant your hands on the mat, step your feet back, and lift your hips up and back. Imagine creating an inverted V shape with your body. Spread your fingers wide, pressing firmly into the mat. This helps to distribute your weight evenly and protect your wrists. Take a few breaths here, pedaling your feet and feeling the stretch in your calves and shoulders. This movement helps to warm up your muscles. From downward dog, we'll transition into a gentle cobra pose. This pose is wonderful for opening up your chest and spine. Lower your body down to the mat, keeping your elbows close to your sides. This helps to protect your shoulders. On an inhale, lift your chest, pressing lightly into your hands. Feel the gentle stretch along your spine. Feel that gentle stretch in your spine and open up your heart. This pose can help to improve your posture and relieve back pain. Let's come into child's pose next. This is a wonderful resting pose that helps to calm the mind. Bring your big toes together, knees apart, and sink your hips back towards your heels. This position helps to stretch your hips and thighs. Extend your arms forward, resting your forehead on the mat. This helps to release tension in your neck and shoulders. Breathe deeply and allow yourself to relax in this restful position. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your breath. Finally, we'll end with seated forward fold. This pose is great for stretching your back and hamstrings. Come to a seated position with your legs extended straight in front of you. Sit up tall, lengthening your spine. Inhale to sit up tall, and as you exhale, reach forward towards your toes. This helps to deepen the stretch. Hold for a few breaths, feeling that deep stretch along your back and legs. And that's it, a quick 5-minute morning yoga routine to get your day started right. Remember, it's not about perfection, but about showing up for yourself and creating a positive start to your day. Consistency is key, and even a short practice can make a big difference. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more yoga videos. Your support means a lot and helps me to keep creating content for you. Namaste and have a wonderful day. Take this positive energy with you and spread it throughout your day. Namaste and have a wonderful day.